Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another video on brakes. As we've said before, the brakes components and brake consumables are the second most expensive track consumable item after tires. So making sure that you can get as much out of your track day budget as possible is real key. It gets you more time on track, you get to be a better, faster driver, and it costs you less money. So today we're going to be reviewing a new offering for the front brake rotors for the Camaro ZL1 and the Camaro ZL1 1LE. The brake system code is J6H, which is the heavy duty brake system with 390 millimeter front brake rotors. So the offering from ZZ Performance seems to be a great value, and we'll get into those details. So the brake rotors are zinc coated, and they have essentially the same dimensions as the factory Brembo disc rotor ring. The inner vanes are actually slightly better casting quality than at least the factory rotors that are on the car right now. So it looks like a really quality piece for a relatively good price. So the weight of the rotor rings came in at 29.6 pounds. It's not very comparative to the weights that we took on the last video, where we took a lot of weights on GiroDisc, DBA, and the factory rotors, because we didn't have a factory hat to weigh. If you've got that weight, it'd be great. Please put it in the comments below. But 29.6 plus 1 or 2 pounds would put it very close to, or maybe slightly less than, the factory Brembo piece. The only thing I can think of that would be a weight reduction are that the vanes, the pillars inside the rotor may be slightly thinner than the factory. It's a cleaner looking casting. Again, it's pretty high quality. So what does the ZZ Performance rotor cost, and how much is it saving you? So off their website, it's $349 for a pair of rotor rings, plus around $50 in shipping, and then about $40 to $80 for a hardware kit. So you're talking about $490 or less for a front rotor set, 390 millimeters, for the Camaro ZL1 or ZL1 1LE. It's a huge cost savings compared to some of the competitors. So DBA with new hardware is $740 for the pair. It's $826 for a factory set of Brembo rotors, and an eye-watering $1,200 for GiroDisc with hats. So you're saving at least $250 to $300 on the ZZ Performance, which is great considering rotors can be a fairly hard track consumable, and you might be replacing them up to once a year depending on how many track days you do. There you have it. Another option that could potentially save you some money on your track day consumables for your Camaro ZL1 or ZL1 1LE. If we saved you a few bucks, or you found this informative, please drop us a like and subscribe, and also check out racingforals.com for information on our next events, or get a hat or a shirt. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.